Thanks for joining this video. This video is about Helm chart in which we will cover Helm install command, Helm uninstall command, Helm upgrade. We will use combination of Helm install and dry run, and we will also check what is the document separator. Okay, so I will take the example of Helm chart which is used to create a different namespaces like dev, staging and prod. So this is the chart name and I've opened values.yml file. So this is a namespace kind of a list and we have elements dev, staging and prod. Then I'm using under templates namespaces. So this is I'm using a loop. It will take the values from values.yml file and pass on here under the name section, like name of namespace dev, staging and prod. So three resources will be created by using single file. And let's see, I'll first try dry run. So here you can see that I use Helm install and then release name, and then I have given that chart, and by using -dry-run, this only do a dry run. There is no resource creation under Kubernetes. Okay, as you can see that kubectl get namespace, nothing happened. There is no dev, staging and prod namespaces. Okay, so here you can see that status is pending install under the namespace default. Suppose if we are not assigning the namespace here, by default it will choose default namespace. So let me install first. I will do the first release of this chart. So Helm list command, here you can see that that release name revision is 1 under namespace default, and this is updated and other information version also. So kubectl get namespace. So now we got dev, prod and staging namespace. Now what I will do, I will update that template. Under the value section, I will add one more namespace, dr. Then I will use Helm update, and then upgrade. I will use upgrade. Fine. So revision version is now 2. Status is deployed under namespace. Let's see by using kubectl get namespace command. So here you can see that dr namespace is created because I have update values.yml file. So if I want to uninstall this, just simple use this command, and here we go, Helm list kubectl get namespace, gone. That's it. Thanks.